Okay, in this problem, we want to find the outward flux of a vector field across the boundary of a closed tetrahedron in octant 1 formed by the plane z equals 1 minus x minus y. Okay, so we have, let's just think about what we have. We have a closed tetrahedron, so we have a 3D region object that is closed, and we want the flux across its boundary, which is a surface that encloses the tetrahedron, which means that since we're trying to find a flux integral and the surface is closed, we can apply the divergence theorem. The divergence theorem says the following, that the flux integral over a closed surface, so we could use this symbol to say our surface is closed, can be computed. So this is a flux surface integral, and we can compute this by adding up the divergence of every point inside of the enclosed region. So our enclosed region might be region D, and we calculate the divergence of the field throughout the region. All right, so let's sketch a diagram of what we have. We know that we have a plane in the first octant, it's going to form our tetrahedron. So our plane here has x, y, and z intercepts. Each one is at 1. So you can always do that by setting the other two variables equal to 0. And so here's our tetrahedron, is this 3D filled in object. And that is our plane z equals 1 minus x minus y. And so when we use the divergence theorem, we do make the assumption that we have outward facing normals. And so we'll have, because this is a plane, we will just have all the normals of the plane will be parallel to one another. So we really just need to focus on the triple integral over this region. So let's find the divergence first and then set up our integral so that we can integrate the region. All right, so the divergence of our field is pretty straightforward. It is the dot product of del with our vector field. And our vector field is negative x for y and negative z. Let me just write it here so we can see it. And so del dot f will be the partial of negative x with respect to x is negative 1. The partial of 4y with respect to y is 4. Partial of negative z with respect to z is negative 1. So this gives us a divergence of 2. Okay, and now if we want to integrate this region, we have a 3D region, so so let's write for our 3D tetrahedron, we'll stick with rectangular coordinates, right? That makes sense for this problem. And I'll go z simple, and we can see that z is enclosed between two surfaces, the xy plane and the plane 1 minus x minus y. Once we've done that, we can look at the xy plane and consider the shadow of our tetrahedron onto the xy plane. And so when we look at the xy plane, we have a line that goes from y equals 1 to x equals 1. Oops, that's x. And this has a slope of negative 1 and an equation of y equals 1 minus x, since the y-intercept is also 1. So if we do our 2D region, y simple will be, y will go from 0 to 1 minus x, and then x will be from 0 to 1. And now we have the limits of integration for our triple integral. All right, so our outward flux will be the triple integral where x is from 0, oh, I need a little more space probably. All right, x will be from 0 to 1, y will be from 0 to 1 minus x, z is from 0 to 1 minus x minus y. Our divergence is 2, and inner integral is with respect to z, middle integrals with respect to y, outer integrals with respect to x. And now we're ready to evaluate. So let's take our inner integral. We'll have a 2z, but z goes from 0 to 1 minus x minus y, so it'll just be 2 times 1 minus x minus y. Middle integral, I'm going to keep the 2 factored out. So we have a 2 integral from 0 to 1 minus x, and now we will integrate with respect to y. So this will give us 2 times y minus xy minus y squared over 2. And this integral is from 0 to 1 minus x. So this will give us 2 times y is 1 minus x. Then we have a minus x times 1 minus x. And minus 1/2 times 1 minus x squared. And when we subtract 0, we get 0. All right, so let's simplify this a little bit. And we'll get 2, 1 minus x plus x squared minus 1/2 times 1 minus 2x plus x squared. I'll distribute that a little bit more and then combine like terms. So now we have a 1, this is minus 2x plus x squared minus 1/2 plus x minus 1/2 x squared. And so this gives us 2 times, let's see, we just have 1 minus 1/2 are a constant, so that's a positive 1/2. X, we have a minus x plus 1/2 x squared. Okay, let's do our outer integral with respect to x. So our outer integral, I'll leave the 2 on the outside, integral from 0 to 1 of 1/2 minus x plus 1/2 x squared dx. So this gives us 2 times 1/2 x minus x squared over 2 plus x cubed over 6 from 0 to 1. And that is 2 times 1/2 minus, when I put 1 in place of x, a 1/2 plus 1/6. And then when I put in 0, everything's 0. So this gives us 2 times 1/6 with it, which is a positive 1/3. And this is the outward flux across the surface of the tetrahedron that we sketched. And we used the divergence theorem.